Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can resize or stretch the image that you want to use in Canva. First of all, let's go, let's say, to the uploads and use this first image that I downloaded before. And as you can see, it doesn't fit the A4 format and we want to stretch it out. We just do that by pressing on this small ball on the left side of the image, and we try to reach the corner. We can move it like that, and vice versa. We can go to the opposite side of the image and stretch it like that. And as you can see, the image is already done and ready for future download, or maybe tweak. You can paint it, you can do whatever you want with it, but that's how you do it. That's how you stretch the image. So I think it's very easy. Canva made it very easy and user-friendly. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.